What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market. But before we start this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find these videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day and also get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, and especially 3 days of live trading in my Discord, check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description and it's definitely worth every penny. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos I post. And now let's get right into it, guys. Dow is up 0.84%, nasdaq up 1.45%, S&P up 1.23%, and Russell 2000 also up green on the day. Now this rally here, guys, nothing unexpected. I called it, and there is more upside here in the market. Definitely get ready for a bull rally, and it's not over yet, guys. SPY holding a higher low, putting another higher high today. That is even more bullish for the market. And if you look at these groups, we got everything in the green today. Technology leading the way on top. Utilities, consumer cyclical, healthcare, consumer defensive, industrials, communication services, basic materials, financial, energy, and real estate. And look at this stock market map. We got green across the board. Tesla is up 1.66%. Amazon up close to 2%. Meta up again close to 2%. Even Google up 0.5%. AMD up 2.40%. And Nvidia once again another massive rally up 3.63%. Microsoft up on the day 1.64%. And look at this market leader, the monster Apple, up 2.31% with a new all-time high on Apple stock. And now we're going to look at SPY ETF. So every time I look at this chart on SPY, all I see is higher lows into a higher highs, and this is exactly what we got. Let me know in the comment section if you guys see a big crash on this chart anytime coming, because I don't see it, guys. And people are still, misguiding people, putting out misinformation saying that a massive crash is coming and not allowing other people to take benefit of this bull market, and they're just shorting the market and losing money. So SPY here, look at this trend. Nice pullback into a higher low, not even getting down to 430, and now we got a higher high today, taking out previous high, and now that is holding as a support 443. So next week, yes, we gapped up massively. We got a gap down here at 438. So at some point, we could see a pullback on SPY down to 438, and that's gonna be a dip buying opportunity. And why? That's gonna be another higher low on SPY before going all the way up to 450. Now let's talk about new all-time highs on SPY. A lot of people are saying that 450 and then it's going to crash. Now I know some stocks are overbought, like Apple, extremely overbought. We're going to see a pullback at some point, a significant pullback, and that will bring the market down. But also SPY not running on Apple only, so many other sectors on SPY, this thing can still push higher. And now that we got this higher low into a higher high, 450, that's gonna be the key level, guys. 450 breaks, that holds some consolidation. We're not too far away from hitting a new all-time high. So keep that in mind, that SPY breaks 450, we're going to see more upside. Now also, we could see this run continuing to the upside, SPY going all the way up to 450, a pullback down to possibly this gap, 438, another higher low, and then breaking out above 450, that would be even more bullish. Now on a bearish scenario on SPY, this could be a double top right here. SPY cannot hold 443, comes down to close this gap all the way down here, cannot find support, and the support don't hold right here, and bulls are buying the dip at 438, and this thing actually breaks 438, gets down to this low and takes out this low, and then comes all the way down to 423 to fill this gap all the way down here. That would be a bearish scenario on SPY, so keep that in mind, guys, especially to the downside. So far it's looking bullish, higher low into a higher high, and the next stop on SPY above 443, we're going to see 450 on SPY. Now another thing I want to point out, lower Bollinger Band moving up, sitting at 424. So even on a significant pullback, we're not going to see SPY going below 420 anytime soon. On Triple Q, we got a nice higher low, but Triple Q was not able to put in a higher high today, but I think it's coming next week. If you look at my screen, gapped up again from 365, a massive rally all the way up to 370. So on a pullback, watch out for this gap and the support 365, and Triple Q can take out 370. We're going to see a move all the way up to 370 to 85, and possibly will take out this high right here from a couple days ago. And above that, guys, Triple Q heading all the way up to 380 and possibly a new all-time highs. Now on a pullback, this could be a higher low, and if this thing gets down and takes out 365, watch out for the support at 360 and then down here at 357. And breaking below 357, that's not gonna be good for the bulls. This thing can come all the way down to 350. On DIA, if you look at my screen, we got an inverse head and shoulder playing out on this daily chart, and looks like we could be going for a new all-time high on DIA, and this could be the first one hitting a new all-time high. It's not too far away, guys. I mean, look at it right here, 348, and today got up to almost 345. So DIA definitely can hit a new all-time high. If you look at it today, nice higher low, and now breaking out above 340. We gapped up today, so we got a gap down here at 341.39. So watch out, DIA can break 345 to 346. We're going to see a quick trip all the way up to 350, and that's gonna be a new all-time high on DIA. To the downside, now we have strong support right down here, 341.39, 340, white line 20 SMA, and then 336 right down here. On IWM, I think we're going to see a big breakout, and that is coming, guys. Again today, 188.43, slightly going over 188 and then pulling back and closing under 188, which is a big resistance on IWM. Now IWM came down, nice consolidation, nice pullback, and now we gapped up today from 184. So on a pullback, watch out for this gap and the support between 185 to 184. To the upside, IWM can break and hold 188, the next stop 192, and then 195 on IWM. And this is already a breakout, not going below daily 200-day, and also we got a bull trend on IWM on this daily chart. We got all the moving averages here on IWM positively sloping to the upside, and there is a bull trend on IWM. So watch out for a break above 188. That would be more bullish. And also on a pullback, if the support holds right here between 184 and 185, that would be also bullish to buy the dip right here on IWM. We also have strong support at 183, and below that 180, 178. On VIX, I didn't even know this thing was up today, 0.37%. But if you look at my screen, came all the way down to what? $13, $12 right here, and then finally went back up. Looks like there were some buyings on VIX right here. But if you look at this one here, guys, upper Bollinger Band coming down, and now it's sitting at 15. So even if this thing wants to move higher, it's not going to move too high. Possibly up to 15 to this Bollinger Band. And also we got rejected at that level before. So 15 breaks, it needs to take out 16 and then $18. And the big move will only happen above 20, which is a long way from here. 13 to 20 for VIX, that's a long way. It needs good catalyst, something bad for the market, and then we could see that breakout above 20. Until then, guys, this thing can spike. Yes, I'm not saying VIX cannot spike. Yes, we will see spike on VIX, and there is buying opportunity in the market. especially on a pullback. Now, if this thing actually spikes above 18, I'll be careful, and then takes out 20, that's when I'll be really careful that market might be getting a big correction, and in that case, we could see a significant pullback in the market. Right now, just watch VIX to break 15 and then 16, $18, and forget about 20. It's a long way from here. Once we get up to 20, then we can talk about VIX breaking 20. To the downside, strong support right down here around $12 to $13, and below that possibly can go lower all the way down to $10. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Happy 4th of July and enjoy the weekend.